Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to look at another Stream API question. So given a list of employees where each employee has a name, department and salary, write the Stream API solution to calculate the average salary for each department and display the results. So we have a list of employee given which has name, department and salary, and we have to find the average in each department. Okay. So it's little similar to the previous question that we had done on Stream API. So what we are going to do is first we are going to group all the departments together. So for that we need to do collectors dot grouping by, and we have to use the class object class, use method reference, and get department. So department will be a method already present in my employee class or your employee class for that matter. Okay, and then you have to use collectors dot averaging double, and here you have to provide employee method reference again and get salary because we need the average of the salary. So this is all what we need to do, and this is going to return us with a map of string and double because the average is going to be given back to us as a double. So it will be string and double. Let's call it map. So when we are using for each on a map, it uses by consumer, but if we are just using on a simpler list, like it takes a consumer, or the you're talking about the functional interface which it takes, and as you can see here it's a by consumer. So we are expecting a department and salary, right? So department and salary. So this will be the average salary. So let us just run this, and we are getting the average. So averaging double is a method already present in the collectors class, and that is what we have used. And in the question as such, you will have to first group it according to what we need it in the first place, and then find the average of the rest. Okay, so hoping you understood this. Thank you so much for watching. Let's catch up in the next video.